Have you ever noticed that some people master a new skill in just 1 week, while it takes everyone else an entire month? Here's the shocking part. Most of them aren't geniuses. So what do they know that everyone else doesn't? In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 science-backed learning techniques that psychologists, top students, and high performers use to learn up to 10 times faster without spending all day studying. And by the end of this video, I'll reveal one mistake that almost every student makes, a mistake that slowly trains your brain to become a slower learner. Imagine 2 students preparing for the same exam. Both study for 3 hours every day, and both use the same books. But on exam day, one remembers almost everything while the other struggles to recall even the simplest concepts. Was the difference intelligence? Not at all. The only difference was that one student trained their brain the right way, while the other simply spent more time studying. This is where most people make their biggest mistake. Since childhood, we've been told that the longer we study, the more we'll remember. But science says something different. Your brain doesn't reward hard work, it rewards smart learning. If you're still using old study methods, you could be wasting half your effort. Imagine trying to fill a bucket with water while there's a big hole in the bottom. No matter how much water you pour in, it keeps leaking out. That's exactly how traditional studying works. You study for hours, remember some of it the next day, and a week later most of it is gone. The problem isn't your memory. The problem is your learning system. The first secret is called active recall. The next time you finish studying a chapter, close your book and ask yourself, how much can I remember without looking? Or pretend you're teaching the topic to a friend. If your mind goes blank, don't worry. That's when real learning begins. Most students read the same page over and over because it feels familiar, but recognizing information and actually remembering it are 2 completely different things. When your brain struggles to pull information from memory, it builds stronger neural connections, helping move that information into long-term memory. But even active recall isn't enough. If you never use the information again, your brain slowly deletes it. That's why the second technique, spaced repetition, is so powerful. After studying today, review the material for just 10 minutes tomorrow, then again 3 days later, and once more a week later. Every review tells your brain, this information is important. Keep it. Each review makes the memory stronger. Think about going to the gym. Working out for 6 hours in one day won't build strong muscles, but training consistently over time will. Your memory works the same way. Small reviews lead to big results. And now comes the most powerful technique of all, the Feynman Technique. Imagine I asked you to explain a concept to a 10-year-old. Could you do it without using complicated words? If not, you've probably memorized the topic without truly understanding it. That's the mistake many students make. We often mistake complicated language for intelligence, but the opposite is true. If you can explain a difficult idea in simple words, you truly understand it. The next time you learn something new, close the book and pretend you're teaching it to your younger sibling or a friend in just 2 minutes. The moment you get stuck, you've found the part you don't fully understand. Go back, learn that part again, and explain it one more time. Your brain will naturally fill in the missing pieces, and the topic that once seemed impossible will suddenly become much easier. Now imagine combining all 3 techniques. Use active recall to challenge your brain, spaced repetition to strengthen your memory, and the Feynman technique to deepen your understanding. At that point, you're not just studying harder, you're studying smarter, and that's the real difference between average people and high achievers. Here's the most surprising truth. People who seem naturally smart don't always have the highest IQ. Many of them simply forget less, and over the years, that small advantage turns into extraordinary results. So make yourself one promise today. Don't just watch this video and feel motivated. Pick one topic you've already studied, close your notes, test yourself, review it for 10 minutes tomorrow, and then explain it to someone in simple words. If you keep following this system consistently, you'll be amazed at how much faster you can learn in just a few months. If you enjoyed this video and want more content to help you become smarter, learn faster, and be more productive, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because with every new video, you're not just gaining knowledge, you're building a smarter version of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.